Let me ask you something. What would you do if your salary came in tomorrow and within hours it was gone? Bills, EMIs, credit cards, unexpected expenses, gone. If that thought scares you, then welcome. Because what you're about to hear is not a book summary, it's a financial wake-up call. This is the moment your entire money life begins to change. Most life-changing stories don't begin with success. They begin with a moment of panic. Picture this. It's a normal evening. Dinner is warm, kids are laughing, and then the phone rings. Sir, your card has been declined. Your account is overdue. You're behind again. In just a few seconds, your entire world feels like it's collapsing. This isn't fiction. This is the reality millions live every single day. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack dreams, but because money has become the quiet monster in the room. And that is why the Total Money Makeover exists, to help you take back control. Today, we start your makeover. Chapter 1. The Truth About Money. Money doesn't solve all problems, but money mismanaged creates almost all stress. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a behavior problem, like buying things to impress others, swiping credit cards because everyone does it, living paycheck to paycheck while pretending everything is fine. A makeover begins the moment you say, "Enough, I want a new life." Chapter 2. The Big Lie. Debt is normal. We're taught debt is a tool. Credit card points, zero-down offers, EMIs for every lifestyle desire, loans for vacations, gadgets, and furniture. But here's the truth. Debt is a trap disguised as comfort. Banks profit, companies profit, you lose your peace. A financial makeover demands a new belief. If you don't owe money, money cannot control you. Chapter 3. The $1,000 Emergency Fund. Before you attack debt, you need protection. Life is unpredictable. Cars break, phones fall, your health surprises you. This first step is simple but powerful. Save a small emergency fund, fast. Not for shopping, not for upgrades, just for real emergencies. This tiny cushion becomes your shield. Chapter 4. Destroy your debt. The Debt Snowball Method. Now the real transformation begins. List all your debts, smallest to largest. Don't worry about interest rates for now, just list them. Then, pay minimum on everything. Attack the smallest debt with everything you've got. When it's gone, roll its payment into the next. Watch the snowball grow. Why smallest first? Because motivation is stronger than math. When you win early, you develop the belief that you can win big. This is how thousands of people have escaped debt and rebuilt their lives from scratch. Chapter 5. Build a full emergency fund. Once debt is crushed, your next step is peace, true peace. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is your safety net against job loss, illness, emergency travel, or sudden financial storms. No debt. A large emergency fund. For the first time, you breathe freely. Chapter 6. Invest for the future. Your money should now begin working harder than you do. Dave Ramsey recommends investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts, mutual funds, long-term growth assets. You're no longer living for today alone. You're building a future. Chapter 7. Save for college or big goals. If you have children, plan ahead so they don't start life buried in debt. If you don't, place the money toward future goals. Education, business dreams, or property. You choose the next chapter. Chapter 8. Pay off your home early. Imagine living in your own house with no EMI, no bank letters, no fear. Owning a home outright is one of the most powerful financial milestones. When your home is paid off, your income becomes freedom. Chapter 9. Build wealth and give generously. The final step is the most beautiful. Become outrageously generous. Money no longer masters you. You master money. Give to others. Help family. Support causes you believe in. Create a legacy that outlives you. This is true wealth. The Total Money Makeover is not a quick fix. It's a lifelong philosophy. Spend with purpose, save with discipline, invest with confidence, give with joy. Transformation doesn't start tomorrow. Transformation starts now. This is your story. This is your new beginning. This is your Total Money Makeover. And today, you've already taken the first step.